How to fix an Android phone not charging. Are you having trouble charging your Android device? Welcome back to Techwhiz. In this video, we'll show you 5 ways to fix your Android device if it's not charging. First, make sure the charger is fully plugged in. If your Android isn't charging right, it might be because the charger isn't all the way in. This can happen a lot with thick or bulky phone cases. To fix it, remove your phone case and plug in the charger tightly, ensuring it's completely in and straight. Clean the charging port. Another common problem that might stopping your Android from charging properly is a dirty charging port or charger. Dust or dirt in the charger or port can block the charging. To fix this, gently clean the charger with a cotton swab and remove any debris from the charging port using a cotton swab or toothpick. Don't use metal objects to clean because they can scratch or damage the port. After cleaning both, try charging your device again to see if it works. If your Android still doesn't charge, your charger might be the problem. Use another charger. Consider using a different charging cable for your device. Also, try a different adapter if you're plugging into a wall outlet. Over time, cables and adapters wear out, so replacing the charger could be the solution you need. Use a different outlet. If your charger looks okay but your device won't charge, check if the outlet is working by plugging in something else. Try using a different outlet for your charger too. You can also try connecting the cord directly to a USB outlet, like a computer USB port. Reboot your device. Our last tip for fixing an Android device that won't charge is to restart it. Turn off your device, wait for about 30 seconds, then turn it on again. Try connecting your charger again to see if the problem is solved. If your device still won't charge after trying everything, your device might have a hardware issue. In that case, it's best to take your device to your mobile service provider for a checkup or contact your device's manufacturer for help in any necessary repairs. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.